Does your living room feel too small, crowded, or awkward? Don't worry. In 2026, interior designers are proving that even the tiniest living rooms can look stylish, comfortable, and full of personality. The secret is smart layouts, clever furniture choices, and a few design tricks that make any room look bigger and brighter. In this video, I'll share 80 small living room design ideas for 2026, along with inspired interior tips you can actually use in your home, no matter the size. 1. Smart furniture choices. When space is limited, every piece of furniture needs to work harder. Multifunctional sofas. Think sofa beds or sectionals with hidden storage. Nesting tables. Small tables that can be stacked and tucked away when not needed. Slim profile chairs. Armless or leggy chairs save space while keeping things airy. Floating TV units. Save floor space and create a modern, minimal look. Tip: always measure before buying furniture. In small rooms, scale is everything. 2. Light and bright colors. Color plays a huge role in how spacious a room feels. White or off-white walls reflect light and create openness. Soft neutrals like beige and light gray bring calm and balance. Pale pastels, mint green, sky blue, or blush pink add freshness without overwhelming. Monochrome palettes create flow and make the room look seamless. Pro tip: use a pop of color on cushions or art pieces to keep things lively without making the room feel smaller. 3. Creative layouts. Sometimes, it's not about what you add but how you arrange it. Floating furniture away from walls creates breathing space. Corner sofas maximize seating without blocking walkways. Round coffee tables improve flow compared to square ones. Diagonal layouts add energy and make the room look dynamic. Tip: always leave at least a small path for movement. Cluttered layouts shrink the room visually. 4. Mirrors and lighting magic. One of the oldest tricks in the book is still powerful in 2026. Large mirrors bounce light around and double the visual size of your room. Glass furniture like clear coffee tables keeps the space light and open. Layered lighting. Combine ceiling lights, floor lamps, and wall sconces to avoid shadows. LED strips under shelves or behind the TV wall add a modern glow. Tip: place mirrors opposite windows to reflect natural light and make the room feel bigger. 5. Vertical and wall storage. In a small living room, the walls are your best friend. Floating shelves display books and decor without eating up floor space. Tall cabinets draw the eye upward, making ceilings look higher. Built-in shelving units maximize every inch. Wall-mounted desks or foldable tables are perfect for tiny apartments. Tip: keep storage organized and clutter-free. Messy shelves make the room feel smaller. 6. Statement decor pieces. Even small spaces deserve personality. Instead of filling the room with too many items, focus on a few bold choices. Oversized art instead of many small frames. One standout rug to define the space. Accent walls with paint, wallpaper, or PVC wall panels. Textured fabrics like velvet cushions or knitted throws for coziness. Tip: less is more. One bold piece creates impact without overwhelming. 7. Open and airy styling tricks. Finally, the little details make the biggest difference. Leggy furniture, sofas and chairs with visible legs look lighter. Glass doors or open shelving, keep sightlines open. Sheer curtains, let natural light flow in. Minimal clutter, only keep what you love and use often. Tip: the more floor and wall space you can see, the bigger your living room will feel. So those were 80 small living room design ideas for 2026, from smart furniture and creative layouts to color tricks, mirrors, and bold decor. Which tip would you try first? Multifunctional furniture, brighter colors, or adding mirrors? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other design guides, like modern curtain trends, wall panel designs, and luxury TV unit ideas for 2025 to 26. Because no matter the size of your space, the right design can make any living room feel stylish, functional, and truly yours.